Does your computer screen feel too bright at night and hurt your eyes? Here's a quick Windows trick to turn on nightlight and reduce eye strain instantly. Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tips to make your computer smarter and more comfortable to use. Step 1. Open the notification panel. Click the notification icon at the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar. It looks like a speech bubble or message icon and opens the Windows Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Expand Quick Actions. If you don't see all the options, click the Expand button in the panel. This will display more quick controls available in Windows. Step 3. Turn on Night Light. Find the Night Light button in the Quick Actions menu. Click it once and Windows will instantly apply a warmer screen color. Step 4. Turn off when needed. To disable it later, simply open the notification panel again. Click the Night Light button once more to turn it off. And that's how you enable Night Light in Windows in just a few seconds. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more Windows tricks.